Hey fam, it's Mateo and you're tuned into Easy Rock. Kahirap unawain bawat ang tami pangakong magmahal hanggang libing sa langit. May tagpuan din na ton, hihintayin itong bato sa buhangin.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.